Welcome to the Okappy guide on adding jobs for assets. To use assets within Okappy, you first need to edit one of your job templates to include an asset field. On the job list page, click on the three-dot menu labeled Job Options. Here you can select job sheet templates to be taken to your template list. Either create a new job sheet template by clicking the New Template button or load an existing one by clicking on the template of your choice. Within the template builder, click on Add Field in the area you want your assets to be shown. Click on the Field Type drop-down and select Asset within the list of fields. You can now include assets in jobs using this job sheet template. For quick and easy acknowledgement of assets, you can also configure the jobs list page to include assets. Navigate to the job list page and click on the three-dot menu labeled Job Options. Select Change Page Layout to be taken to the Layout Change page. In the Layout Change page, check the Asset field to enable assets on the Jobs list page. You can now see assets from within the Jobs list page. To schedule a job for an asset, create a job by clicking on the New Job button at the top of the Jobs list page. Choose a job sheet template which contains the Asset field and choose a customer with assets. Within the Asset field, enter the details of your asset. After entering the first 3 characters, autocomplete suggestions will begin to be shown. Fill out the rest of the job details and click Add Job. You will now have a job linked to that asset. We hope this guide was helpful and that you continue to enjoy using Okappy.